What's up, my Crunch Timers? Today we are having some beef smoked sausages. It got an applewood taste to it, and we got some spicy noodles. And I cannot believe that I have been craving. Oh, I have been craving for some noodles. I eat noodles every blue moon, y'all. And in the past couple of days, I've been wanting some noodles, but I've been wanting the blue pack of the Oriental. But I said I'm gonna do a little spicy because I'm gonna add some hot sauce to it, you know. So I'm doing some spicy noodles, y'all. Good Lord, that spice got in my nose, y'all. Lord, that season will make you sneeze. Mm-mm-mm. I had these noodles before on my channel, y'all, and it was real hot. It started with a Y. I forgot what it's called. I told y'all on YouTube how y'all doing a bunch of things. Eating a bunch of things. Eating food we ain't heard of. Yeah, but I wanted some noodles, y'all, today. And I was like, I gotta eat me some noodles today. And I gotta eat what I crave because I don't normally have an appetite. So when I eat what I crave, I can eat it. If I just eat like some random food, and that's not gonna work, excuse me. That's not gonna work. If I just eat some random food. I have been watching all my um people unsubscribe to videos. I comment on some and I didn't comment on them. You know, that's just me. I'm really a big watcher. I really don't comment, but I got to break out of that and start commenting, y'all. And that wrong with dropping the free words down, and I got to start doing that. So I'm gonna try to do better. I'm gonna do better, y'all. And just that I be so busy with work. But now I have a couple of days off, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that in the video. What happened on my job? I need y'all opinions. Mm. All right, let's see how Grayson dig in. Hey man, you guys. I got my chopsticks on there. I got my Chardonnay right here. Oh, woo! Mixed with some Sex on the Beach, and it's still tart. Mm-mm-mm. Some beef smoked applewood sausages and some noodles. Y'all see that sting? Oh, I added some onions to this, y'all. Let's see. All right, let's dig in. Mm-mm-mm. Woo! When you got noodles in the wild, it's show the bomb. I seen that Mama Bree got her kidney. Congratulations to her. And she's doing good. You guys, let's wish her a speedy recovery. If y'all don't know who Mama Bree is is Prissy P mother and Rayshawn mama-in-law from PR Gang, Prissy P channel. I hope all is well. I love watching her channel, so shout out to her. My mom also on dialysis. Hopefully she can get her kidney soon too. And by her and us watching Prissy P videos and seeing her picture, it give us hope. Some people brave enough to do the surgery. My mama like, look, I'm just gonna die. I ain't doing the surgery. My mama don't like the surgery. But hopefully it'll change her mind. Because she had friends that did the surgery and it didn't come out right. They lived, but it was a lot of complications. So any little thing scared my mother. But anyways, okay. Okay, you guys, so when you boil the sausage, you can taste the apple smoke. But I had did another video with the crab legs. If y'all seen that video with the crab legs, I couldn't taste the apple. But if you haven't seen it, click on the video that says snow crab legs. And you can see it. I had fried these same smoked sausages down. But this time I boiled it in this video. In my opinion, when you boil it, you can taste the apple smoke. I tasted the smoke flavor in the sausage. It's good and it's beef. But when you boil it, you can taste the apple flavor. I've been watching YouTube and everybody got their opinion. I have an opinion. I've been seeing a lot of drama on YouTube. YouTube is like, I don't know what's gotten into YouTube. YouTube used to be so fun to watch, so good to look at. And, you know, now it's just like a lot of people like drama. I don't like drama. But I was watching it and there's just so much stuff going on, and people have to realize that we can't tell people what to do, but we need to mind the business that pays us, you know, because oh my goodness, really? Hold on, y'all. I tried to use the old phone, but the old phone was messing up. I'm sorry, you guys. The phone is acting up. I tried to get my old phone, but it's so messed up. It's just ridiculous. But anyway, like I was saying, YouTube, it just got a lot going on, and we need to bring back the happiness to the community where we all can be, you know, where we all still excited to do videos and proud to do it. But just mind the business that page. Sometimes you just got to be quiet. Sometimes you just can't defend certain people. You can't defend nobody for real because if the shoe's on the other foot, no one is going to defend you. So we all just need to get along because the devil is busy, and you guys, y'all got to stop. Mm. I know a lot of people hate cyberbullying and all that stuff, but sometimes if you just mind your own business, everything will be okay. Don't do nothing for clout. Earn your stuff. You know, earn it. Let people come to your channel because of you. And I know defending people and stuff, it bring a lot of views to your channel, but we have to we all got problems of our own life. Deal with your own problems. Do not add any stress to your problems. Adding making videos talking about other people, that's adding problems to your problems. Because we all got something going on. I want one person to tell me they ain't got nothing going on in their life. Even millionaires got problems. So please, everybody, just cut it out. The devil is busy. The world's coming to an end. We all black queens. We've been through a lot, and we just need to love one another and pray for one another and keep it moving. There's a lot of things I want to say. I made videos in the past. I made a video in the past talking about people defend somebody, but I should have minded my own business. So everybody make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. I'm proud of everybody. Every queen, every king. I'm proud of everybody. I want nothing but good blessings and good luck coming my way. I don't want nothing negative. So I learned from my mistake. I made a video defending somebody when I should have mind my own business that pays me. Defending somebody is not gonna help me out. It ain't gonna do nothing but add more problems, you know. So come on, guys, we just got to do better. And I feel good today because I can eat. That's what I wanted. I had cooked some chicken and dumpling last night, y'all. I ate some of it, but I was just so tired. I had got off work, took my shower, and started cooking and everything. I was gonna do a video on a chicken and dumpling, but that ain't happening. I was so tired. It didn't make no sense. I have been going away for a while because there's a lot of stuff going on and a lot of things I don't tell YouTube, but we all just gotta pray about it and keep it moving. That's all we can do. If it's out of my control, I don't need to keep worrying about it. I don't need to keep stressing about it. Pray about it and keep it moving because God gonna handle that. It's that problem bigger than me. Ain't nothing I can do about it but pray. I know what I did. We got these noodles is so good. And the sasha is so good too. It was raining this morning, but it stopped. That's why I tell you God is good, because this week it's supposed to rain. And some days I catch the Uber, some days I catch the bus to work. You know, altercation happened at my job yesterday. And I get home, my job called me and took me off the case. You know, at first I was like, why y'all taking me off the case? Well, but I sat back and think, I know why I was taken off the case. You know, but I'm not going to stress it, because God removed me for a reason. The job was stressful. I complained every day, but I still went to work because I know bills got to be paid. You know, but I'm not going to worry about it, because God removed me for a reason. It bothered me at first, but I had to sit back and talk to God. Because if I ain't talk to him, I'll still be worried. But I wanted to talk to y'all and let y'all know, you know, stuff happens that's out of our control. And everything happens for a reason. So, and God removed me from there, then it's time for me to move on. He got something better for me. But I just can't wait to see what it is. You know, I mean, if we stress about it, we're going to get sick. In my younger days, I used to stress about things a lot. I ain't nothing but 37, but I learned to not let certain stuff worry me, because I'm in the nursing field, and I done took care of people that's in their 90s and their 80s and their 70s, and they said they just learned to let stuff go. I'm trying to live to be in my 90s and 80s, because y'all know us blacks, a lot of us blacks, African Americans, shit, we barely hope to live past 35. If we living right, if you want to be healthy, we hope to live past 50, 55. And a lot of us blacks die early because of a lot of things. High blood pressure, strokes, heart attacks. A lot of that stuff running our family. A lot of that stuff running in the black community. So we got to get it together. So us queens, come on, we got to do better. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone and everyone, so they can know what we're doing on this crunch time. My kids in school, I gotta stop this video, but it's going red. It probably stopped on its own, but I don't trust it. Last time it stopped on its own. Ouch. It did not record. So I love you guys and stay blessed.